Imagine this, you're a student trying to write a Python code for your exam, but there is one problem. Your teacher is explaining the code, but you don't get it. The lesson moves too fast, and by the time you catch up, it's already over. Well, introducing you, CollabCode. The revolutionary way to learn, teach, and collaborate on code in real time. CollabCode transforms how computer science is taught and learned. It's an interactive, real-time coding platform designed for students and teachers alike. No setup, no installations, just seamless coding. Teachers can run lessons where students watch, test, and experiment with Python code live. Have a question? Just raise your hand digitally. Your teacher gets notified instantly and can help you in real time. Teachers can split students into teams or let them code solo. Want to collaborate? Turn on host mode off and code together. And here is the fun part. Track your coding stats, climb the ranks, and stay motivated. CollabCode isn't just a tool, it's a closed social network for computer science students and teachers. Add friends, join sessions, and learn together. Teachers, we've got you covered. Manage your class easily, kick out distractions, and keep lessons smooth. From confusion to confidence, CollabCode makes learning to code fun, engaging, and stress-free. CollabCode, the future of coding education is here. Ready to revolutionize the way we learn? Let's build the future, one line of code at a time.